Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 10 romantic and budget-friendly Valentine's Day table setting ideas that will make your celebration feel special without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a cozy dinner for two or hosting a gathering with friends, these easy and creative ideas will help you set a beautiful and intimate atmosphere. From elegant candlelit arrangements and rustic burlap accents to playful heart-shaped touches and simple floral centerpieces, each concept is designed to bring a touch of love and warmth to your table. We'll show you how to use everyday materials to create a romantic vibe that looks expensive but is easy and affordable to put together. Let's dive into these DIY ideas and get inspired for your perfect Valentine's Day celebration. Idea number 1. Simple elegance, candlelit romance. The table is bathed in soft, romantic lighting, created by white candles flickering gently in elegant, minimalistic candle holders. The simple yet graceful white tablecloth serves as the perfect backdrop for the delicate rose petals scattered across the surface. Pink napkins are neatly folded and placed beside each plate, adding a touch of soft color to the table. The warm, intimate glow creates a serene atmosphere, ideal for a cozy Valentine's Day dinner. The look is elegant yet easy to recreate with basic elements, making it a perfect budget-friendly option for anyone looking to set a romantic mood without overspending. The overall feel is peaceful, timeless, and effortlessly romantic. Idea number 2. Rustic charm, burlap and lace accents. This rustic yet romantic table setting brings warmth and charm with burlap placemats and a delicate lace table runner. The simplicity of the burlap complements the softness of the lace, adding a beautiful texture to the table. Mason jars, repurposed as vases, hold fresh red roses, which serve as the perfect centerpiece for a Valentine's Day dinner. Simple glassware sits beside each plate, keeping the look clean and uncomplicated. The natural lighting casts a soft glow over the entire setting, making it feel warm, inviting, and personal. This concept proves that rustic elements can evoke romance, while being easy and affordable to put together. Idea number 3. Romantic simplicity, red and white palette. This setting embraces the classic red and white color combination that exudes warmth and romance. The red and white plates are arranged symmetrically, with heart-shaped napkin rings adding a playful yet romantic touch. Scattered around the table are tiny heart-shaped confetti pieces, further enhancing the love-filled theme. The lighting is soft and gentle, casting a cozy glow over the table, and the minimalistic design makes it feel intimate without being overwhelming. This simple yet effective table setting proves that less is more, showing how a few thoughtful touches can create a memorable Valentine's Day atmosphere without overspending. Idea number 4. DIY chic, personalized place cards. This cozy and personal Valentine's Day setting features handmade place cards tied with red ribbons, adding a thoughtful and intimate touch to the decor. The place cards are simple yet charming, with a handwritten font that feels personal and welcoming. Soft floral arrangements sit at the center of the table, providing an elegant contrast to the white dinnerware. Subtle pink accents, like napkins and candles, bring a hint of color to the otherwise neutral palette. The ambience is warm and inviting, perfect for a romantic meal. This DIY approach is affordable and shows that small, personal touches can elevate any occasion. Idea number 5. Fresh and floral, soft rose accents. This light and airy table setting focuses on the beauty of fresh flowers, with a soft pink and white floral centerpiece taking center stage. The fresh roses and peonies are arranged in a simple, low vase, allowing the natural beauty of the flowers to shine. The minimalistic tableware, clean white plates and simple glassware, keeps the look refined yet uncomplicated. Pastel napkins gently complement the floral accents, while the natural lighting floods the scene with warmth. The overall feel is romantic and fresh, perfect for a Valentine's Day dinner where simplicity meets elegance, all while staying within budget. Idea number 6. Vintage Glam, Gold and Blush Details. This Valentine's Day table setting exudes vintage glamour with its blush pink napkins and gold flatware. The gold accents add a touch of elegance, while the blush pink hues bring a romantic, soft vibe to the table. Vintage glassware with intricate detailing gives the setting an air of sophistication, while a simple floral arrangement of soft pink flowers serves as the centerpiece. The ambience is further enhanced by the warm glow of candles flickering softly. This romantic setup feels timeless, combining the charm of vintage style with the modern simplicity of budget-friendly decor. It's the perfect example of how a few elegant details can create a luxurious feel without the luxury price. Idea number 7. Playful Touch, Heart-Shaped Dishes. This playful Valentine's Day setting embraces the fun side of romance with heart-shaped plates and matching cups. The red napkins are neatly folded and placed beside each setting, coordinating perfectly with the heart theme. Small chocolate treats, shaped like hearts, are placed around the table as little indulgent surprises for guests. The table exudes a lighthearted and whimsical atmosphere, perfect for couples or friends who want to celebrate in a fun and unique way. The design is simple and affordable but adds a lot of character and charm, showing that Valentine's Day decor doesn't need to be overly formal to be meaningful. Idea number 8. Elegant and simple, white and gold accents. This elegant table setting focuses on the simplicity of white and gold, creating a refined and romantic atmosphere. A crisp white tablecloth sets the tone, while gold accents in the flatware and candle holders add a touch of luxury. The centerpiece features a simple arrangement of white flowers, such as lilies or roses, keeping the look understated yet sophisticated. The warm glow of candlelight enhances the romantic feel, making the entire setting feel intimate and special. This design shows that elegance doesn't need to come at a high cost. Simple white and gold elements can create a beautifully romantic table setting on a budget. Idea number 9. Whimsical Wonderland, DIY Heart-Shaped Confetti. This whimsical Valentine's Day table setting is brought to life with DIY heart-shaped confetti scattered across a crisp white tablecloth. The playful confetti adds an element of fun and excitement to the table, while small mason jar candles create a soft, romantic glow. The vibrant pink napkins are carefully folded beside each plate, adding a bold pop of color to the otherwise minimalist setting. The small mason jar candles add an intimate touch without overwhelming the space. This design is perfect for those who want to infuse their Valentine's Day table with a lighthearted, fun, and budget-friendly vibe. Idea number 10. Classic Romance, Roses and Chocolate. This classic Valentine's Day setting captures the essence of romance with fresh red roses and decadent chocolate truffles. The roses are placed in a simple vase at the center of the table, while small dishes of chocolate truffles are scattered around each setting. The elegant dinnerware features clean lines, allowing the vibrant reds and soft gold accents to shine. The soft glow of candles illuminates the scene, creating a warm and inviting ambience. This table setting evokes timeless romance, showing that a few thoughtful touches like roses and chocolates can transform a simple meal into a memorable celebration. That's all the 10 budget-friendly Valentine's Day table setting ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas.